So first off, I want to thank you for checking out some of my videos. I hope that they help you with your van life. And also, let's go ahead and check out the electrical system of Van Delta. So let's go for a little crawl. Show you some of the stuff that we got going on. So right off the bat here in front of us, you can see this is our inverter charger. This is how we turn everything to AC power. It's also how we go from AC power to charging a battery bank. On to the right there's a solar charger. I'm gonna go ahead and put my head here to hold this in place. So that's a solar charger. This is the Cerbo. This controls through Bluetooth all of our different systems here. We've got a smart shunt, which is going to show you the battery voltage. Comes right from the negative feed. Two 300 amp hour batteries are below this. That right there is our DC power source. So it's just essentially a splitter that provides DC power to lots of different things, both in and out. We can see our fuse box in the back left corner there. That's for AC breakers. And then in the back right corner is our battery to battery. Right there, that's our battery to battery monitor. And what that's gonna do is let me try to set you up here. What that's gonna do is that's gonna charge the batteries when we've got the car running. So all of these are set up with marine grade copper wire and Blue Seas breakers. So this is essentially a marine grade electrical system. Everything throughout the whole van is if you were in a sailboat. Lastly is this guy right here. This is a great little safety feature. It's a ball that blows up. I know it sounds scary and not safe at all, but it actually explodes if there's any type of a fire. So if we were to ever get a short circuit in here and cause some sort of a small fire, it would keep it small by that ball rupturing and then releasing a bunch of anti-flammable or flame retardant dust into this area. And so this whole compartment would then be put out before it ever got to anything else, and that would happen almost instantaneously. Last cool thing about this is that we've got airflow that runs from the refrigerator and below that through this whole compartment, and then it's controlled by a little computer fan down here. So it's always sucking air through this compartment, keeping it nice and cool. And as you can see, real easy to access whether you are on the road or at home. You can always take the bed out and make this a lot easier. But I've had to come in here and make an adjustment or check on something. And you can do that while you're on the road even from in the vehicle, from coming in there.